stand right here. There you go. Ready? Whoa! Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Took down the whole tee. Okay, let's try again. Come stand over here. Stand over here. Set.
Whoa! Good shot.
Ready? Take your time. Yahoo!
Woo!
Now. Oops. Okay, ready?
Whoa! Almost went over the wall.
Here's another one. Ready?
Woo!
Good one. You want to hit this one? Yes.
Good shot. Down the
Okay.
third baseline.
Go ahead and hit that one. Wow.
Woo!
Okay, can you help me pick up the balls? Let's pick up the balls. That one's too little. That one's too little.
Still hit it.
Here, put the ball on the tee. Thank you for helping. Thank you.
Turn, turn, turn.
Go to the other side. Go around. Go around. Go around. Stand right there. There you go.
Whoa!
Here's another one. Put the
Up
ball
against the
on
wall. Woo!
tee. Try again. Take your time. Ready? Good.
Oh, that went over the wall. Home run.
Woohoo!
All right. Good job. That one went over the wall.
Home run.
Woo!
Do you want to turn this way so we can hit him over there? Why don't you come over here? Come stand right here.
There you go.
There you go. Wait.
Mom.
Stand right here. Stand right here.
Turn, turn, turn.
Stand right here so you can hit it that way. Do you want to hit it over there? Come stand right here. Stand right here. Right there.
That's it. Good job.
Oh, now come this way. Okay, you need to use
Two hands.
Ready?
Oh, good one. Oh, off the top of the wall.
Ready? Wow.
Off the top of the wall again.
Good job. Here, put that on the tee.
He likes that left field wall, that left line.
You sure does. Wow.
Oops.
Oops, pick up the tee.
Good job, Levi. Whoa.
Oh,
Holy smokes.
There you go. Ready?
Whoa. Good job, Levi.
Yeah, if you come stand right here, you'll hit it
Wow.
really far. Right here. There.
There you
That's
go.
gonna hit it really far.
Whoa.
See?
Oh my goodness, it went all the way across the yard.
Yay. Ready? Stand right here.
Hit it.
There you go. Set. Pow.
Whoa. Down the cart path. Good job, Levi.
Ready? Wow. That went far. Wow. Another one? You want to hit it again? Yes. Okay. Pow.
Woo.
Okay, can you help me?